So there's a little peek into our favorite cat, Carl. If you don't know which one he is, he's the one on the screen right now. My wife actually suggested that I write a children's book about our cat, Carl. So I did. Here it is, on Amazon, in paperback, or in Kindle, so you can check out all of Carl's adventures. I would like to write more children's books about Carl as we go. He's a very fun cat. He's everybody's favorite cat. In this video he has a friend, and we thought we'd just show you a little bit of what Carl is all about in real life. Please check the book out on Amazon. If you have kids, I think they'll really love it, and you might like it too. Search it Carl the Cat on Amazon or click the link below. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. We'll have much more Carl content coming. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.